How to purchase USDT with your local currency and transfer to Meta transaction. Log in to your Binance app, click the homepage and tap here. Click here for switch to the Pro version. When this page appears, it is converting to Pro version. Click here again. Click P2P on this page. Tap P2P at the top of the screen and choose Express. Choose your country currency. Select either buy and choose the crypto you want to trade. Tap buy crypto to buy cash. Enter the amount of you want to trade. Tap buy with 0 fee to confirm your order. The system will automatically create a P2P order that matches your requirements. And match it with the best available order on the P2P market. Please make payment according to the payment method you choose within the time period specified by the seller. You will see the seller payment information. Please make payment as instructed. Once you transfer the payment, top transferred, notify seller. The order status will change to releasing. The seller will release crypto after confirming your payment. Please wait patiently. Once the seller confirms and releases your cryptocurrency, the order status will show completed. Also, come back to the app homepage. Tap on the wallet's icon to view purchased crypto. On this page you can view the cryptocurrency you purchased. How transfer to Meta transaction. Log in to your Binance app and have wallets. Tap spot, then tap withdrawal. Choose USDT. Important note: Meta transaction crypto address can only receiving USDT TRC20. Tap send via crypto network. Select the network, choose Tron TRC20. Enter the amount you want to deposit into Meta transaction. Now take the recharge address in Meta transaction. First, log in to your Meta transaction app. Click Profile. Click Deposit. Click this to copy the address. After that, open your Binance app. Paste the TRC20 address that you copy from Meta transaction into here. After then click the withdrawal. Please confirm that your address and the amount are correct. And click Confirm. Complete your security verification. After confirming the withdrawal request, please wait patiently for the transfer to be processed. You can also click here to view your pending payments. It will take some time to process your request. After a few minutes, you can refresh and click again to see if there is a completed word. Go back to your Meta transaction app and click I have recharged. After that, click Funds. Click Wallet. Usually a few minutes later, this will show in your wallet. Congratulations, it's finished.